the record. Just for the record. If they like with the chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dami. I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. Okay, how are you? How's your day? How's your week? Hope you're doing good. Whatever it is, let me know in the comment section. So I'm back with another lifestyle content. Yes, I am, but I promise to try to keep this one sweet and short. Okay, now this is not a fashion haul, so we ain't got no OOTD. Okay, for this one, I've been, trying to explain that, when I do this type of hauls. But yeah, I feel like it's a good break to have a little something different in between the videos. If you guys like this or don't, let me know. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, a lot of the main things, this is a Dollar Tree haul, y'all, okay, in case I haven't said that. I really want to show you, the main thing I want to show you, I'm going to save to the end, okay? As usual, I'm going to save that to the end because I feel like you guys have to watch this video to understand, like to see this. I'm going to keep this here as well. So the very first item I want to show y'all in this haul is this. What is this gorgeousness? I saw this at the Dollar Tree and it says wall decor. Wall decor? That is surprising. I didn't think they wanted us to hang this. Because my plan is to leave this on my coffee table because my living room is a lot of grays and whites. Very neutral colors. And this is just so stinking cute. Like the beads and oh gosh. There was a time this was very expensive. At other stores, of course. But yeah, I never saw anything like this at the Dollar Tree. So I decided to take advantage and leave this on my coffee table just to throw amongst my tray that's already there with the candles and the decor and just to add some things, okay? And then I saw this. I picked this one up for my boy because he's obsessed. It's a 10-pack of candies. Okay, that's Paw Patrol, Betty Crocker Paw Patrol candy. He's obsessed. He loves this. So I try to pick it up whenever I see it for him, okay? Let me add this to this. I can't wait to show you at the end. And then I saw the stain remover wipes. Lift stain on the go. And it's 12 individually wrapped wipes. I thought that was interesting. I've never tried anything like this. So I'm itching to try. And also the one I kept here. This is a microwave cleaner. And it looks really interesting. Apparently it's like a little doll or lady type thing. You put... is it water in it, and then it's supposed to release steam into the microwave, a bunch of steam, and then you can easily clean it, or you can use vinegar and water to clean it. But yeah, I think it's interesting. Let me see if I can bring it out for some people that might be like, what is that? Oh my god, look at this. Like a little toy. But apparently it releases the steam through here or something. I don't know. I just thought it was interesting, and it was at the Dollar Tree, so obviously inexpensive, right? Uh-oh. Sorry, hopefully there's no slipping. No slippage. So this is the iodized salt and pepper shaker that I just feel like I want upstairs in the bedroom when I'm eating in the bed. Don't want to have to grab salt downstairs in the, like, dining and the, in the kitchen. I feel like I just wanted like a little salt pack upstairs because I do be eating in the bed. That's probably bad, but I do it. But okay, so then this baby oil, hypoallergenic, very small, probably not worth the money, but it's still good. I think it was $1 something or $2. But it was a lot more expensive somewhere else, like the little one. I just wanted a small baby oil that I can use sometimes to, moisturize my hands on top of the lotion, just to lock in moisture. And I thought that was cheap, so. And I saw this Extra Care Micellar Cleansing Water All-in-One removes. It cleanses, removes makeup, soothes skin. Safe for your face, your lips, and your eyes. No rinsing, rubbing. Girl, please. I always wash my face after I use one of these, but it says you don't have to, so that's good. I make up when I film videos, so I feel like anything that helps me take off the makeup is a good deal. kitchen cleaner, peppermint sage. I thought this was cute. I've used the peppermint sage all-purpose cleaner from Dollar Tree, and I like that. So I needed to pick this up when I saw it because I thought that was a good deal. Oh, and yeah, I picked up, I believe, 2 of these ones, if I can just get it out. So I saw granite and marble cleaner for the first time at a Dollar Tree, and it was peppermint sage. These two are the same exact thing. And I thought granite and marble, that's great. And at the Dollar Tree, yeah, and peppermint and sage, that's gonna smell really good. So yeah, I had to have that, and I got 2 more items from that line. Ooh, this one's already pouring out. Oh no. So this is all-purpose cleaner. I need to set it down. Oh no. Oh, this smells good. Yeah, peppermint and sage, and this is also peppermint and sage, another kitchen cleaner. So apparently I got 2 of the kitchen cleaners. Oh no, what a mess. Oh man. Anyway, oh, this is gonna mess up my clothes. What else? Oh, there's Tropical Delight mango juice. No sugar added, so that attracted me. Pick that up. What else? Oh, 50 cups, white baking cups. I've not been baking, so I don't know why I got that, but I did. And every time I see this, I'm attracted. The udon, Japanese style udon noodles. Like, see how fat it looks? I love it. I feel like this would be good with some stir fry. And it looks like it's already cooked. It just needs to be thrown in some stir fry with some veggies, and we are good. And then this heat defense spray helps protect your hair from moisture loss during heat styling. I already have the Tresemme one, and I think the other one from the brand, what's that brand I used to relax my hair? I don't remember the name right now, but yeah, so I did need it. Did I buy it? Yep, I did. Silky lip cream. I think this shade is Bordeaux Bliss. Okay, it's just like red lipstick. Yeah, picked it up. Don't know why. But the main thing I wanted to show y'all, the best item I think in this haul, maybe not the best because the kitchen and the granite cleaner I thought was a great deal. This items right here, I already bought it before. This clear storage bag, I think you can see the picture in the camera. This one goes under your bed or on the smaller spaces. You can store like a bunch of winter clothes, or you can put away your summer tank tops in this and slide it under the bed if you need storage. It's a great deal. Such a great deal. I bought 2 of it. Yeah, 2 of it. And then this is another clear bag, but this is a bigger bag. So this one is good for storing like comforters. Like if you have a comforter that does not have a bag and you just want to keep all the stuff together, like the pillowcases and stuff, this is a great bag. Yeah, it gives this Ghana Must Go vibe. Like, you know those bags that they call Ghana Must Go? Listen, I did not make the name, okay? If you see some of these items, this is from like a Dollarama haul, so please just ignore that. But yeah, I feel like for the price, the quality is not bad at all. And if you see it at your own local Dollar Tree, please get it. Also, do you have a Dollar Tree where you live? Let me know if you have one or you don't, you know. But whatever it is, I hope you enjoyed watching some of these items. I realize this is a very short haul. There's not like a lot of products in here. But I just wanted to film this video and get it out of the way for you guys. I hope you enjoy watching it, even though it's deviating a little bit from my usual type of content. We'll be right back on track, I promise. I just drop in one of these videos once in a while for you guys to enjoy something different, you know, and I hope you do. But whatever it is, whatever your opinion is, let me know in the comment section. You already know what to do before you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Please give the video a thumbs up if you watched to this point. It lets me know that you enjoyed, and it lets YouTube know that you enjoy watching the video, and they recommend it to more people, which will be you helping the channel grow, and I would really appreciate that. So please give the video a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, like, what are we doing, hon? Please subscribe to the channel. I really would love to have you, so please subscribe, okay? Yeah, okay, subscribe, comment, what else? Yeah, that's it, share. Once you comment, you subscribe, all you gotta do is share, and then we good, honey. Share this video with your family and friends and somebody you know will enjoy shopping content or lifestyle content. Okay, I'm gonna be sharing some style tips in upcoming videos, so please subscribe if you love fashion, and I look forward to those tips. I promise they'll be good. Anywho, that's all I have for you. I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. I appreciate you so much, more than you know. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast with the friends that they love? We know at one time. Down in a class, I'm a poet. Only see the road, I'm the one with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with critics, I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello.